Hello, my name is Kristen, and I'm going to share how I manage my bird's living area. I get red rosin paper from Menards and roll it across the whole floor under the magnolia branch perch we made. It's a simple cleanup process because you just have to roll up the paper and the bird's leavings, do a quick sweep, clean where he may have missed because that usually happens, and then roll out fresh paper, cut to fit, and situate the cage and perch again. Morgan is a large bird and as such needs as much space as we can afford, so this is what is working for now. Unfortunately, he hates it. He thinks that this is the scariest thing that's ever happened, and he twitches anxiously in his cage most of the time. So you have to go soothe him, and then once he's fine, you gotta get back to work, and then he gets anxious again. So that is how that happens. So for those of you who don't own birds, they just poop a lot. They poop everywhere. And if you aren't prepared, they will poop on your things. And this is a thing that he has pooped on that I now have to clean because I was smart enough to put a branch directly above the couch because this thing is too big. You need to cut it down a little bit. But it's new, and we were trying things, and now we know. He'll come out, and he'll sit there, and he'll poop there all day, which is why I have my next tip. Oh, hey, there you go. So my next tip is paper plates. Yeah, it's that exciting. All right, is that better? What do you think? Can I have a kiss? Thanks. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. This is Captain Morgan. Gender yet unknown, has not laid eggs, around 20 years old, Blue and Gold Macaw. Finally made friends with me after living together for 2 years. How you doing? He's got a pistachio, so he's pretty happy. I'm also done rustling around with paper. So, you know, that's a perk. So this is where the bird most frequently stands, therefore, this is where the bird most frequently poops. So I'm sorry I just left you hanging on poo plates without a segue. That was the conclusion of that. May the video continue. You ready? I'm gonna play the ukulele while I do my voiceover of the moon. Just got it yesterday. Now that my chores were done, I decided to take this video of the moon going by in a contrary direction to the clouds. That amuses me for some reason. In my vlogs, I aim to share all the things that I find beautiful or interesting, as well as some practical tips on how I do things, product reviews, tutorials. I'll share my sketching and painting, sewing, photography, cooking, entertainment, everything that usually happens. Tell me what you like or don't, and tell me what you want to see. I'll do a Q&A when I get a few questions. Sorry, this is kind of terrible, but I don't have any royalty-free music, and I don't feel like looking it up right now. I'll get some good music later. It's daytime now. We need to play a happy song. Terrible. It's a day with the sun out in the sky. And there's birdies in our feeder. But they ate all the suet, so I have to go buy some sometime this week. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this. First time playing the ukulele. These sparrows are so hungry lately. There's usually a ton of them on the feeder every time I walk past this window in the kitchen. It only took them like 5 minutes to come back. Did this just turn into Surf and Safari? Forget Beach Boys. They were thieves. I made my music from scratch.